What is morphology? Morphology is a broad set of image processing operations that process images based on shapes. Morphological operations apply a structuring element to an input image, creating an output image of the same size. In a morphological operation, the value of each pixel in the output image is based on a comparison of the corresponding pixel in the input image with its neighbors. By choosing the size and shape of the neighborhood, we can construct a morphological operation that is sensitive to specific shapes in the input image. Morphological processing. They are useful for extracting image components that are useful in representing and describing region shapes. The filters can be described using set theoretic notation. A set is a collection of pixels in the context of an image. Morphological operations are described as following. They can be opening and closing operations. They can be dilation and erosion operations, and there are gradient operations. The most basic morphological operations are dilation and erosion. Dilation adds pixels to the boundaries of objects in an image, while erosion removes pixels on object boundaries. The number of pixels added or removed from the objects in an image depends on the size and shape of the structuring element used to process the image. Set operations. Let A and B be sets. If A is the index of a pixel in A, then we write A belongs to A. If A is not in A, then we write A does not belong to capital A. If every element that is in A is also in B, then A is a subset of B. Written A as subset of B. This is equivalent to the statement A belongs to capital A is equivalent to A belongs to capital B if A is a subset of B. In the morphological dilation and erosion operations, the state of any given pixel in the output image is determined by applying a rule to the corresponding pixel and its neighbors in the input image. The rule used to process the pixels defines the operation as a dilation or an erosion. The table lists a rule for both dilation and erosion. Dilation, the rule for dilation is the value of the output pixel is the maximum value of all the pixels in the input pixel's neighborhood. In a binary image, if any of the pixels is set to the value 1, the output pixel is set to 1. Erosion, the rule for erosion is the value of the output pixel is the minimum value of all the pixels in the input pixel neighborhood. In the binary image, if any of the pixel is set to the value 0, the output pixel is set to value 0. Now dilation, it can be applied to binary as well as grayscale image. Effect of this operator on a binary image is it gradually increases the boundaries of the region while the small holes in image become smaller. Assume that A and B are two sets of pixels, then the dilation of A by B is denoted by the following formula. It means that A is translated by every point of the set B. Dilation can be considered as a union operations of all the translations of the image A caused by the elements specified in the structuring element B by the following formula. Erosion. The objective of erosion is to make an object smaller by removing its outer layer of pixels. This is shown by the following formula. This operator takes the image and structuring element as inputs and thins the object. Algorithms for dilation and erosion. Let the number of pixels in structuring element be k. Let the number of pixels of value 1 in the input image be z. Let the pixel coordinates beneath the origin of the structuring elements be x0, y0. The algorithm for dilation can be modified using the threshold value m. The mapping functions are given by the following formula: g of x0 y0 equals 1 for z greater than or equal to m and g x0 y0 otherwise. For modified erosion, the mapping function is given by g x0 y0 equals 0 for z less than or equal to m and g x0 y0 otherwise. This was the modified dilation and erosion. For dilation, the output is given by, for erosion, the output is given by. These algorithms can also be extended to modify dilation and erosion, which involves the use of a threshold m. The threshold is user controlled based on the requirement. And another approach to morphological operations is to consider them as binary correlation operations involving logical elements. The structuring element is placed on a binary image. Properties of dilation and erosion. The dilation and erosion shows the following properties: communicative property, associative property, distributive property, duality property, translation property, decomposition property, etc. Combining dilation and erosion will result in opening and closing operations. Dilation and erosion are often used in combination to implement image processing operations. The definition of a morphological opening of an image is an erosion followed by a dilation using the same structuring elements for both operations. The related operation, morphological closing of an image, is the reverse. It consists of dilation followed by an erosion within the same structuring elements. Opening and closing operations are: the opening and close is defined as erosion followed by a dilation operator. This is the formula. It satisfies the following properties: A, B. This is called idempotent property. Opening is useful for smoothing the edges, breaking the narrow joints and thinning the protrusions that are present in the image. Closing is the dilation operation followed by an erosion operation. Properties of opening and closing. They show the following properties: dual transformation, ordering relationship, increasing transformation, transform invariance, idempotence, etc. Hit or miss transform. It is a general binary morphological operation that can be used to look for particular patterns of foreground and background pixels of an image. The algorithm is as shown. First, translate the center of the structuring element to all the points of the input image. Then compare the structuring element with the image pixels. If there is a complete match, then the pixel underneath the structuring element is set to foreground. It's called a hit. Else, the pixel underneath the structuring element is set to background color and it will be called a miss. Use of morphological operations. They are immensely useful in a variety of imaging applications which are discussed as follows: boundary extraction, noise removal, thinning, thickening, convex hull, skeletonization, medical axis transform and distance transform, region filling, extraction of connected component, pruning, etc. Grayscale morphology. Similar to binary morphological operations, the mask moves across the image. The pixel by pixel process is done and the resultant is produced in the output image. The structuring element can be a square matrix of size 3x3, 5x5 or larger depending upon the application. The erosion mask is shown as comparison of grayscale erosion and dilation. Erosion, dilation. Erosion reduces the size of an object with respect to background. Dilation increases the size of object. Erosion eliminates noise spikes and ragged edges. Dilation also eliminates it. Erosion darkens the bright object in the Sobel operator and is useful for locating faint but large scale structures. The morphological gradient is defined by, it is thus the difference between a dilated image and an eroded image. Dilation removes small scale dark features and erosion removes small scale bright features. Dilation brightens the image and erosion darkens it. Thank you.